Hi there, this is Mike Long from Pulsate. We're at ISE 2020. We have a number of new product launches which have been very well received, I'm pleased to say. So first one of those is actually our Pro Amp 8, which is our new power amplifier, which is complementing our audio range. And here you can see that actually it's an 8-zone amplifier that has obviously eight analog inputs. We also have a two digital inputs. And the interesting aspect with this is, if the digital input is connected, it actually makes the first 3 zones 5.1, and also the other zones within this output range are all still 2-channel. So in this amplifier, that's a 100-watt 4 ohms amplifier, we have the ability to support 5.1 and 2-channel in one box. So you will find more information on our website, which is www.pulse-8.com.